Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to start unit number 7 and topic is time to say sorry. Today we are going to learn about the concept of fairness and identify the time of day, for example, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Let's start our discussion. Is it fair to drink someone else's milk? Is it fair to break someone else's things? Is it fair to get someone else into trouble? We should not do to others something we would not like them to do to us. We all do wrong from time to time. And when we do, is it important to own up and say sorry? It is also important to forgive others when they do wrong to us. If someone says sorry, then we should forgive him. Have you ever done the same? If someone says sorry, then what should we do? We should forgive him. Okay, when do you eat breakfast? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or in the night? When do you eat breakfast? In the morning. When do you eat lunch? In the afternoon. When do you eat dinner? In the evening. Okay, now can you please tell me the time? Look at the clock. There are two hands. One is small hand and one is big hand. The small hand is on 1 and big hand is on 12. So can you please tell me the time? What time is it? 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock because big hand is on 12 and small hand is on 1. Okay, now look at this clock. Small hand is between 1 and 2 and big hand is on 6. So can you please tell me the time? This is 1:30 because already 30 seconds 30 minutes have passed. So that's why this is 1:30. Now open your textbook, page number 43. Let's start reading. Unit number 7, time to say sorry. It's not fair. It is 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. Look at the clock. Small hand is on 8 and big hand is on 12. So it is 8 o'clock. Hiba is eating her breakfast. Zan is drinking Hiba's milk. Oops, he has drunk it all. Now there is no milk for Hiba. That's not fair, says Hiba. So Zan has done mistake. He drank Hiba's milk, but Hiba says that's not fair. Okay, it is 1:30 on Sunday afternoon. Now again look at the clock on second picture. Small hand is between 1 and 2 and big hand is on 6. So it is 1:30. We have already learned it. It is afternoon. Rafe is eating his lunch. Zan is playing with Rafe's car. Oops, he has broken it. That's not fair, says Rafe. Again Zan did wrong. Now look at the third picture. Small hand is on 7 and big hand is on 11. 12. Big hand is on 12 and small hand is on 7. So it is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock on Sunday evening. Rafe and Hiba are eating dinner. Zan is under the table tickling their feet. They jump up. Oops, Mama's teacup has fallen over. Naughty children, says Mama. Off you go to bed. That's not fair, they say. Now Zan has done wrong. First of all, Zan drank Hiba's milk, then Zan has broken Rafe's car, and due to Zan, Mama's teacup has fallen over. So what do you think? What should they do? What should they do with Zan? Come to the next page. Saying sorry. It wasn't our fault, says Hiba. Zan tickled our feet, says Rafe. Baba looks under the table. Zan, he says, come out, please. Zan comes out. He is looking at the floor. Now Zan says, Baba, say sorry, please. Sorry, says Zan. He broke my car, says Rafi, and he drank my milk, says Hiba. Zan is crying now. I'm really sorry, he says. Now Zan is saying sorry. Should they punish Zan? What should Mama and Baba say? Should they punish? What do you think should happen next? Okay, now come to the next page. Forgiving. He's only little, says Baba. He doesn't understand. Don't cry, Zan, says Hiba. But please don't do it again. It doesn't matter, says Rafi. Give us a hug. Mama smiles. Good, she says. Now look at the clock. It's 7:30. Time for bed. Good night. Sleep well, says Baba. Now tell me, children, if someone do wrong with you, what should you do? Yes, you should forgive him. We have read the story. In this story, Zan has done wrong things, but he has realized that he has done wrong. So that's why he says sorry. And everyone say okay. If someone says sorry to you, you should forgive him. Okay, now look at here. Write true sentences in your notebook. They have joined the pictures with the sentences. Number 1, we eat breakfast in the morning. We eat lunch, yes, in the afternoon. We eat dinner in the evening. We go to bed at night. You will join it and you will match the clock also. Number 1 is 1 o'clock. So join it with 1 o'clock. Number 2 is 7 o'clock. And what is in number 3? Yes, 1:30. Then what is in number 4? 7:30. So you will join it. Now here's your homework. How should we behave with our youngers? Yes, what should you do with your youngers? And question number 2, should they punish Zan? Should they punish Zan? Because Zan has done wrong things with them. Should they punish Zan? You will write your answer. Thank you.